This is "Oh Christmas Tree" in the key of D, and make sure to click on the description below, and I do have the chord sheet that you can print out and follow along with me. Okay, so in the key of D, we have some main chords. We have D, G, A, and then we also have an E minor. So let's go through those chords. D, F sharp, A makes this triangle shape, which is kind of nice to remember it as a shape. Okay, then we hold that shape in our hand, move down to the A position, A, C sharp, E, okay, and that plays another triangle, if that helps you, okay? A chord, and then we have a G chord, just move down one note, and we're in the G position, G, B, D, and then we also have our E minor, which sounds really beautiful, even though it's a little eerie. The E minor chords typically sound a little eerie. Kind of brings that sense of wonder into this song. E, G, B, E minor. Okay, so review. We just have our D chord, hold that shape. We have an A chord, G, and then we have our E minor. Okay, so let's take a look at the left hand. We're going to be playing single notes down here. We're going to play a single D with our D chord up here. Okay, G to G, A to A, and then our E minor, we're just going to play E single note. So you're noticing the left hand, I just swung the thumb open one note, but I didn't move my whole hand and lose my position. Just swing it open one little note there. Okay, so this song, we can use a rhythm called together, right, right, together, right, right. It's a nice marching rhythm. It's written in 3/4 times signature, so just practice that. Together, right, right. Okay, if we play that on the D position, we can go together, right, right, together, right, right. Okay? Okay, you'll notice on my chord sheet that I wrote the chord above the word or perhaps syllable that the new chord changes. So not all chords are going to have that same 3 beats. So what I mean is in that first line where we say, oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. Okay, it's going to go like this. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. Okay, did you notice that the D and the A shared that 3 beats? So we go, oh Christmas tree, oh, or you could count it like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, no, 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 boom, 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 ba-dum, boom, boom, ba-dum, da, 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 da. So you're going to notice that a lot, that we, like in that second and fourth line, the E minor and A, they share those 3 beats as well. And if you haven't figured out the pattern, if you look at the printable chord sheet that I have for you in the description, you're going to notice there's a lot of repetition in this song. There's going to be D, A, D, E minor, A, D, D, A, D, E minor, A, D. So you're going to see that pattern repeated almost throughout this whole song. So sometimes just going through the right hand and getting your hand used to playing those chords by themselves without even adding in any kind of rhythm, just so you're getting your hands used to those placements, okay? D, A, D, minor, A, D. Just so you get used to kind of that rhythm, the melody, and just the chord locations on the keyboard before you bring in the 2 hands, if that's too complex for you to bring the 2 hands together right away. Okay, so let's look at that first part again. Oh, Christmas tree, A, O, D chord, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches, oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. Okay, let's see, let's look at the next part. In beauty green will always grow through summer sun and winter snow. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. the next parts, we're just changing the order of the word, or we're just changing verses, but the chords stay the same. So just go through that pattern, the D, A, D, E minor, A, D, and just get yourself used to that same pattern, because with a little bit of change up, that's going to be the same pattern through the whole entire song, which is really simple. All right, I'm going to play it beginning to end. I hope you love it. Here we go. Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. In beauty green will always grow through summer sun and winter snow. Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. How often you give us delight in brightly shining Christmas light. Oh, Christmas tree, you are the tree